If you've just purchased a new iPhone or iPad, one of the first things you'll need is an Apple ID. This is essential for accessing Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, iMessage, and more. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating an Apple ID step by step. To create an Apple ID, open Settings and tap Apple Account. Tap Sign in manually. If you already have an Apple ID, enter your details. If not, tap Don't have an Apple account. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then tap Continue. Choose an email address for your Apple ID. You can use an existing email, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc., or create a new iCloud email by selecting Don't have an email address. Tap Get an iCloud email address. Type in your email address and tap Continue. Confirm by tapping Create Email Address. Next, enter a strong password, at least 12 characters including uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, and confirm it. Tap Continue, or you can use a different number. Agree to Apple's terms and conditions and enter your device passcode when prompted. By default, two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. Once done, your Apple ID is ready to use. You can now access iCloud settings and enable the services you need. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. To enable it, go to Settings. Tap your name, sign in security, and make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. You can add or update your trusted phone number for verification. Whenever you sign in on a new device, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code on your trusted device. Enter this code to confirm it's really you. For more iPhone tips, tech hacks, and app tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.